Hello friends. Today we are repairing a Xiaomi vacuum cleaner. This is the name of a battery-powered vacuum cleaner. I have already completely disassembled it. Who does not know how to disassemble and assemble this vacuum cleaner? I will leave a link under the video. I have already disassembled it for the second time. Found the cause of the malfunction and now the necessary spare part has arrived. Now I will show you how a vacuum cleaner behaves with a faulty engine, and how it works when it is in good condition. I will connect the vacuum cleaner in a disassembled state in order to check the old and new engines. So, friends, I assembled everything using surface mounting in order to check the operation. You need to connect the power button, as well as the wire that goes to the small board. Without it, the engine will not start. Well, the power wire and the wire to the board. Do not mix up the polarity when connecting the black and red wires. Pay attention to the indicator that will light up on the battery when the engine is faulty. When you press the power button, two LEDs light up and blink exactly 5 times. I hope you can see it in daylight. And when you press it, the electric motor clicks but does not work. Let me turn off the light completely so that you can see how the lights blink. If you have exactly the same thing, then the problem is also in the engine. As you can see, 2 LEDs are blinking red. This means that there is a problem with the engine, or more specifically, in the engine control board. Now we disconnect the non-working engine, and now I will connect the working electric motor in the same way. And so I connected the new electric motor in exactly the same way. To disassemble, you will need a long tin, and I made a handle for it on a 3D printer to make it easier to unscrew the screws. In the video where I disassembled this vacuum cleaner, I unscrewed it using pliers, and today I made myself a handle for convenience by printing it on a 3D printer. It's time to check how the new engine will work. So we turn on the button. As you can see, the engine is working. One press turns the engine on and the second press turns the engine off. This is how you can check whether the new engine works or not. Now I will assemble the vacuum cleaner and check it again. Ready. Now the vacuum cleaner looks like this. It's running at minimum speed now. Let's speed it up. Another device repaired. I hope the video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and good luck with your repairs.